going to finish the floating shelf we started. The glue's all dry, and so we're going to get rolling. I'm going to nail this with a 23 gauge brad. I really like that the hole is so small that you don't even need to fill it. But first I'm going to glue it. I've made a mounting block using 3 18mm pieces of plywood that I glued together. I'm Chris Polk, and this is a Smart Wood Shop. If you'd like to get a set of plans to build your own smart wood shop or one of our smart workbenches, you can click on the link below.
Unfortunately, we had a lot of video corruption, so you don't see some of the process that I went through. One of the things that I discovered when I went to mount the shelf on the wall was that I really didn't like the looks of it. I thought it was a little bit too thick and a little bit too clunky. So here I am ripping it in half, and I ripped the mounting block in half as well, and I ended up with 2 floating shelves. The only thing I had to do was to make an extra bottom for each of the shelves. After assembling the shelves, I got them completely ready for stain, but I decided to hold off on that for the moment. I wanted to demonstrate hanging the floating shelf, and when I got out the stud finder, it revealed that the framing was horizontal and not vertical. So I could either hang the shelf a little bit high or a little bit low, and I decided that a little bit low would look better and it'd be more useful. I started with a level line and then used 3 4-inch screws to secure the mounting block.
The floating shelf is mounted and it's really sturdy. I used 4 wood screws to mount it, and I want to be able to move it in the future, so I'm using these stick-on wood plugs to hide the screws. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and be sure to ring that bell. And most importantly, share the channel with others. Thanks for watching the Smart Wood Shop. You be safe and have a great day.